Lana, working on math, getting smarter and smarter every day, and I know you are too. We are working on today's math problem solving assignment, shopping for fruits and vegetables. Yes, so if you need the other videos, go find the other videos. Make sure you have your sheet. Let's begin. But before we do anything, we always need to make sure we write the standard. Let me read that to you. Can you see it? Can you see it? All right. Okay, now you don't have to write the whole thing. You can write the key words of what we are working on in this problem, okay? All right, it says standard MGSE 5.NBT.7 says to add, subtract, multiply, and divide decimals to the hundreds place, to the hundreds using concrete models or drawings and strategies based on place value, properties of operations, and or the relationship between addition and subtraction. Relate the strategy to a written method and explain the reasoning used. What? That was a lot. Pause the tape, pause the video if you need to write down all your keywords. Can you see it? Find all the keywords for this problem and write those down. All right, let's begin. So in this question, we are going to talk about blueberries. Raise your hand if you love blueberries. Oh my gosh. You could just pop them in your mouth. Just pop them in your mouth. Blueberries, healthy sugars for you, natural sugars for you, not like candy that's like all artificial sugars, not good for you. All right, so blueberries, and what else can we? Oh, you can put it on yogurt. Yes, you can top it on your oatmeal. That'll be good. You can even make a smoothie, add that with other fruits in there. What else can we do with blueberries? Just pop in your mouth, pop them in your mouth. You can actually make a fruit salad. Mix that maybe with some other berries like raspberries, strawberries, blackberries, and make a berry salad. That berry salad is very delicious. Ha ha. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right. Let's read the question. It says a pack of blueberries costs $3.48. How much change will you get if you pay for it with a $10 bill? All right, I'm going to read that again. A pack of blueberries costs $3.48. How much change will you get if you pay for it with a $10 bill? Now, to solve that, to help you solve that, you need to use your cubes clues. Right there are cubes clues. Make sure as you complete each step, you check it off. So the first step in the cubes clues is the C step, to circle the numbers. Then the U step is to underline the key words. Then the B step is to box the question. The E step, eliminate unnecessary information. And the S step is to solve and check. As you do those steps, make sure you check those off and get that done. And bam, solve and check it in the solve and check box. Now, please don't cut off your, don't cut your paper. Don't cut your paper. Do it in the solve and check box. Let me help you figure out what you need to do. So imagine we're buying some blueberries. Yum. And it's $3.48. What? And we have a $10 bill. We have a $10 bill. So we need to figure out what the change will be if we pay. Here you go, $10. You better give me my change. No, don't be rude like that. You just need to say, excuse me, sir. Excuse me, ma'am. I need my change, please. And they're going to give you your change. How do you figure out your change? What operation will we do? Are we adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing? You pay, you get something back. You subtract. Make sure you subtract. Now, when you subtract, there's something you have to do with that $10 bill. Yeah, you pay that $10 bill. But when you write that $10 bill down, when you write 10, you have to write decimal 00. Because look, that has dollars and cents. So the other number, the 10, also has to have the dollars, which is 10, and the cents, which is 00. Which number goes on the top? Which number are we subtracting from? The 10. So the 10 goes on the top. You write $3.48 underneath that. Make sure they're lined up nice and straight, and line them up nice and straight, and then go ahead and subtract. Remember, if you need to regroup, if the zeros have to borrow, remember they need to borrow from a friend. Go ahead and subtract. Now, how are we going to check our work? What is the opposite of subtracting? adding, that's right. Make sure you add the answer that you got plus that $3.48, and you should get $10. So go ahead and subtract, solve it by subtracting, and then add to check your answer, and bam, when you're done with that, you need to write your solution. Write your solution in a complete sentence. You can copy my 5th grade sentence, or you can come up with your own fancy sentence. Do not write a 1st grade kindergarten sentence. So let me help you out. If you buy blueberries for $3.48 and pay with a $10 bill, your change will be blank. So your sentence does not need to look exactly like mine. You can come up with your own. Make sure you write it correctly. Uppercase in the beginning of the sentence, punctuation at the end. Again, I'll read you mine. And again, if you need to pause the video. If you buy blueberries for $3.48 with a $10 bill, did I read that right? If you buy blueberries for $3.48 and pay with a $10 bill, your change will be blank. Write that down. Don't leave the blank. Make sure you write your answer in there. Bam. When you're done with that, you get to write your bam I can statement. I can use strategies to add, subtract, multiply, and divide decimals to the hundredths place. Now, so in this problem, if you're not multiplying and dividing, you don't need to write that part out. You can just write, I can use strategies to add and subtract decimals to the hundredths place. Bam! You are done with that. Remember, if you need to go back to the first part of this video, make sure that you do that. There are 5 videos. Remember, 5 videos for today. If you need some of the other ones, go find the other ones. And until then, sprinkles. Lalana sprinkles. Get smarter sprinkles. Love sprinkles. Give me some of that too. Yes. So remember, work hard and be smart every day in everything that you do. And I love you. Find the next videos.